Look, if you're not getting the results that you want on your YouTube videos in 2026, it's probably because you don't have the right packaging for your videos. That means you need to have an amazing thumbnail and title combination to be able to get views. I see this all the time where I find a small channel who has really good quality information and content, but they are simply not growing and not getting any views because their packaging is not great. And I understand it because it is really expensive to hire good quality thumbnail designers, and it's super complicated to learn Photoshop or Canva on your own. And even then, if you learn it, you need to spend 30+ minutes on every single thumbnail, which you might not have. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you an AI software which is going to solve this problem for you for good. This software is called Thumbmagic, and it basically analyzes your YouTube videos and creates a high click-through rate thumbnail for you in just seconds. And the best part is you can actually give the AI further directions to make adjustments to the thumbnail without, again, having to touch Photoshop or Canva at all. You can create multiple style of thumbnails and you get results instantly. So without any further ado, let me show you how it works. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and click the link in the description down below and sign up for a free account for Thumbmagic so you can follow along this video. Then once you signed up, this is the interface that you are going to see. It's very simple and straightforward. As you can see, I have my previous thumbnails that I've created right here. And if you want to make a new thumbnail, all you have to do is click here on create thumbnail. Now here you have 3 different options to get started with making your image. The first one, which is what I use the most frequently, is simply to just paste in an existing YouTube link. And then the AI is going to analyze the entire video and then create the thumbnail for it based on the content of the actual video. Otherwise, you can also upload directly your video file right here, and then again it will transcribe it, or you can just take the transcript of your entire video if you have that, paste it in here, and it will also be able to understand the context of the video. So I'm going to show you first with simply just the YouTube link method. So I'm going to go on Mr. Beast's channel because arguably he has some of the best thumbnails. He is the highest subscribed YouTuber on this planet, and I will take one of these videos. So for example, I'm going to take this $1 versus $1 billion nuclear bunker. And then I'm just going to copy this link, go back to Thumbmagic and paste it right in here. And after that, I just click here on process video. Now, once that is done, you can actually go ahead and select your style here. As you can see, we have a couple of different templates that you can choose from. And also you can do both horizontal thumbnails for YouTube or even vertical thumbnails for Instagram and TikTok. We will get into that a little bit later. An important thing as well is that you need to actually create your own AI avatar. So to do that, you just click here on create avatar and you can name it whatever you want. And then you just drop in a picture of you. You want to make sure that it has good lighting on your face, your full face is visible, and you want to have ideally a neutral background behind you. Now, obviously the AI is only going to be able to get as good results as your actual source file, so make sure it's something nice and high definition. I actually made already 2 different avatars, so I'm just going to pick avatar 2 right here. And now we can choose the template here, right? So I'm going to choose this contextual background one for this video, and then I can just click here on generate thumbnails, and it's going to again analyze the video content and then create 2 thumbnail variants for us immediately. And the best part is it does this all really quickly. It usually makes the thumbnails for me in around 15 to 20 seconds. And there we go. As you can see, it created 2 different thumbnails with me on it, and we have this crazy nuclear bunker in the background. And the great thing is, if you're not super happy with the initial version you got, you can always just generate one more. Even on the smallest paid plan, you get 100 thumbnails per month. So if you're making 4 or 8 videos per month, it's going to be more than enough, even if you have to make a couple of changes to each one of the thumbnails. And then also you can go ahead and make further modifications to each one of the variations that you created if you don't like something about it. So for example, I'm going to click modify on this one, and let's say instead of having this orange jumpsuit on me, I wanted it to be black. So I'm just going to say change shirt color to black. Then I can go ahead, click on generate, and let's see what it comes up with. So as you can see, it actually even noticed that I wanted to only change the shirt under the jumpsuit, So that's pretty crazy. I didn't even realize that was there. So now let's go ahead and change the jumpsuit to black as well. I'm just going to click here on generate again, and boom, as you can see, the entire character stayed super consistent across these different changes that I made to it. So the expression or my face didn't change at all, but it executed the color change perfectly. Now you can also change the style of photo that you are going for. So it has like this vintage looks, the CCTV footage as well. So this could be good for different use cases, and you can even change the emotion that the character shows on the picture. So let's say instead of this surprised look, I wanted to go for more of an angry look. Like I can just click here on this button and it's going to change the emotion that I'm showing on the picture. So just like that, it made me look angry, which is pretty funny, but it's quite accurate as well at the same time. All right, so that was one MrBeast example. Now let's go ahead and do another one for one of my videos from a second channel of mine. So this video is about how to move to Dubai. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on create new thumbnail, paste in the link for this one as well. But this time I'm going to use a different template. Let's say I want to use this object in hand one. Okay, I'm pretty curious about what it's going to come up with. Choose my avatar, generate thumbnail, and let's see what happens. And there we go. It made these two versions. Honestly, I'm not going to lie, this is a little bit weird because it added like way more beard than I would normally have, where I had on my training photo, but it's a pretty good thumbnail if you ask me. Like, it's not bad by any means. And I am holding an Emirates ID on it in both of these images, so pretty cool. Let's do an explainer one as well for this same video and see what it comes up with for that template. But in the meantime, while it's waiting for that, if I wanted to make an adjustment to this because I didn't like the little beard that it added, I could still also just come here to modify and click on, you know, my face, and I could add remove beard, make the person clean shaven, and then it can also get rid of it. So even if you have some small things that you don't like about the initial image that it generated for you, you can always regenerate it, or you can basically instruct the AI to make changes to it, and just like that you can see it got rid of the beard. Okay, now this is the second one that it created. Again, we have like two different variations, and this is looking pretty clean as well. If you ask me, you can see the little button is behind me. It looks amazing. And again, I could just keep regenerating it and get as many variations as I want. So this tool is also really good for A/B testing different thumbnails on YouTube, because you can make effortlessly a bunch of different variations and find the one that performs the best for your specific channel. Now, I'm going to also do one with this text on image POV style because I quite like that. So let's see what it comes up for that one. And there we go. We got this variation. I think it looks quite awesome if you ask me. Obviously, it's like me reading kind of like textbook, and it has zero text on it. I was talking about Dubai company setups, so it makes sense. And yeah, and also I just want to like appreciate how it actually has Dubai in the background, so it really gets the context as well of what the video is about. So if someone were to click on this one or this one, they would obviously know from the thumbnail that it's a video about Dubai. All right, now last but not least, I'm going to make one for a video that is about different places and areas where you could be renting in Dubai, and I will use the before and after format for this one. And there we go. This is the result that we got. I think it looks pretty good overall. And of course, if you want to make any adjustments to it, you can always just click on wherever you want to make the change. And let's say I want to add a cloud to the background, just click on generate and it should be able to add it in there. And there we go. And you can see the character stayed consistent all the way throughout, and the rest of the image as a whole, we just added the cloud. As I've mentioned before, you can also do the vertical format. So I'm going to make one for this video, which is about best areas to live in Dubai. And you can choose also from these different templates here. I'm just going to choose the background one, and let's see what it comes up with. So yeah, there you go. We have a vertical thumbnail as well, and it can do it in a bunch of different styles. Now, in terms of a couple of pro tips and best practices to make sure that you pay attention to when using this software. First, you want to use a high quality image to actually train your avatar with. Second, use a style that really matches the type of content that you are creating. Third, Always generate multiple variations so you can do A/B testing. The AI doesn't always get it right for the first time, but it doesn't really cost you much credits to make more variations. And again, the more you do, the higher the chances that you get a perfect one. Then fourth, optimize the text, keep it short and punchy. Make sure there isn't too much text on your thumbnail. And then fifth, focus on the mobile first view. Always preview your thumbnails in a very small format as well, because that's how it's going to look on YouTube if somebody's watching it on mobile. And the text and everything should still be very clear, even if you're viewing it in a small format. So again, you can probably see how much time this tool could really save you and how much better thumbnails you could have if you had access to this. So if you want to also try it out for yourself, then go ahead and click the first link in the description down below where you can sign up for free. And if you sign up for a paid plan, you can use code VINCE at checkout to get a nice little discount for yourself. Thank you Thumbmagic as well for supporting the channel and making this video possible, and hope you guys liked it. I will see you in the next video.